Welcome to Real Talk for Men Relaxation. If you're ready to step into your masculine power, sit back, relax, and let this sink in. Embody these words. Know that these words are meant to help you become more powerful, more strong, more steady, more authentically, unshakably you. Take a minute to find a place where your body is supported and comfortable, sitting, laying down, whatever works for you. This time is for you. Honor yourself by giving yourself the space uninterrupted to really hear this, take it in, and make it yours. Take a deep breath and exhale. Right now, in this moment, you're exactly where you need to be. There's nothing to chase, nothing to prove, only the undeniable power that already exists within you is here to be recognized, to be seen, to be embraced and embodied. You don't have to seek your strength. It is always there, and it has always been there. It's in the way you carry yourself, in the battles you've fought, in the way you rise after every fall. And right now, you have the space to reconnect with that power, to feel it in your breath, feel it in your body, feel it in your very presence. Close your eyes. Allow yourself to step fully into who you are. Confident, grounded, unshakable. Feel your body settle. Let your muscles relax. Let your breath become deep and steady. Imagine standing on solid ground, strong beneath your feet. The earth beneath you is firm, unmovable, powerful, just like you are. With every inhale, you draw in energy, power, and control. With every exhale, you release doubt, hesitation, or worry. It has no place here. Your shoulders drop, no longer weighed down by any burdens from anybody. Expand your chest, take in a deep breath. Let it be strong and open. Your hands are steady, relaxed, capable. Every part of you radiates confidence, power, and quiet dominance. You are a force, not because of aggression, but because of the calm certainty that exists within you. Your presence alone commands respect. You don't have to chase what is meant for you is already drawn to you. Now let's picture a beautiful landscape. You're standing at the edge of a vast landscape. This is your domain. As if you were a lion overlooking a vast plain. You own this. The air is crisp, clear, and filled with energy. Before you is every opportunity, every challenge, and every victory. You are here for all of it. You're ready for anything. You are the master of your world. Every challenge you have faced has forged you into a man of depth, wisdom, resilience, and power. You do not fear obstacles. You welcome them, knowing they are steps towards something greater. Feel that strength in your stance. Feel your feet rooted into the earth as you stand and observe this domain. Feel the clarity in your mind, the power in your heart. This is who you are. Steadfast, strong, undeniable. Let these words sink deep into your mind. They are true for you. Repeat after me and allow these words to become part of your way of being. I am calm, confident, and in control of my destiny. I do not chase, I attract because I lead with strength and certainty. Every challenge sharpens me, strengthens me, and makes me better. I stand tall knowing that I am built for greatness. I am power. I am presence. I am unstoppable. Breathe that in and let it become part of you. Take another deep breath now and feel those words that you just said. You are that man. You are that confident. You are that unstoppable. You are that already. Own it every day. Now, as you take another deep breath, imagine stepping forward into this domain that you see before you with absolute certainty. There's nothing that shakes you. You shake the world. You are calm, powerful, grounded in the full force of who you are. When you return from this moment, you'll move differently. You'll speak with certainty. You will walk with quiet, commanding confidence. Because you are not becoming powerful, you already are powerful. Stay here a moment longer. Let this feeling deepen within you. When you're ready, open your eyes, step forward into your day, and own the world in front of you. Remember, a lion never has to tell you he's a lion.